welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I am Angela Mutavi at Angela Mutavi Art. For those who are returning, my subscribers, thank you for coming back, and thank you for continuing to watch my videos. I really do appreciate it. Today I am going to try to do a deconstructed bloom technique, and that basically what it is just doing a bloom technique, and instead of just blowing on it, you have to tilt. You use a blow dryer and you tilt. So that is what I am going to attempt to do today. Deconstructed bloom technique it's introduced to me by Karen at Waterfall Acrylic. So Karen, thank you. I'm gonna try this one. I don't know if it will work, but I'll try it. I'm gonna try it in a very small canvas, 8 by 10, and I'm gonna do 2 blooms and blow them and tilt. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Hopefully it's going to work well. And yeah, excuse my messy kitchen. I paint in my kitchen and there's a lot of stuff in it. Anyway, so I'm gonna bring you down and I am gonna show you the paint colors that I'm gonna use, and then we'll get started. Again, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you, and yes, I hope you're all doing well. Okay guys, here we go. So the colors I'm gonna be using, and again, these colors are mixed a little bit thicker because they are for the bloom, they need to be thicker. I'm gonna use for my what is that? For my base, I'm just gonna use my regular Artist Loft paint, and I am going to, I've added a little bit of GSE 800, and also a tiny bit of what do you call it? A little bit of Elmer's glue on, just so I can get some stretching. So what's in here is Artist Loft Floetrol acrylic, which is white. I have a little bit of Elmer's glue, a little bit of GSE 800, and a little bit of water. So, and obviously Floetrol. Floetrol is the main ingredient here. So let's go ahead and start pouring. We're gonna pour, and then we'll pour these in a puddle, and then we'll blow them out, and then we'll see what happens. And I will tell you what is in my cell activator as well as we go along. So yeah, I'm a little nervous. This is my first time doing this kind of bloom, but everything has a beginning and an end. So let's begin. I don't want to put you on time lapse on this one because I want to kind of go along with you and kind of see how this turns out together. So I'm not gonna put time lapse on this video unless there's a part that is really long. I can time lapse it for, and it's it's the same thing and it's long. Yeah, because I do not want to bore you with this. So yeah, we are doing all this together, and this is called bloom technique, deconstructed bloom technique. I mean, if you guys really want to see the master of deconstructed bloom technique, you go to Karen. I mean, her channel name is called Waterfall Acrylics. I love her. She is awesome.
If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos.
I am very pleased with the result for what it is. I mean, this is not the best cell activator to get really good, like those awesome cells you get with the Australian Floetrol, but it is better than nothing, and you can do really awesome art using it. So my mixture for the cell activator, it is 1 part paint, which is titanium white by Amsterdam, 3 parts Floetrol, American Floetrol, 1 part almost glue off, and 6 or 8 drops. I used ounce, so I used 1 ounce of the paint, 3 ounces of the Floetrol, 1 ounce of the glue oil, Elmer's glue oil, and 6 drops in that mixture. So this is yeah, I'm just gonna show you, I'll give you a close-up. This is what we have. I love these cells. I love the way that the stretching of these cells, they look really, really nice. And I believe if we had used a bigger canvas or more paint, I don't know, but look at these cells. These are beautiful.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest and future videos. Share with your friends and family. And God bless. Bye.